Alright, so I'm live. I'm at Gola. What made that Gola, right? Yes. Goldsmith Villa.
Yes.
Goldsmith Villa there. The boss of August Stone. All of these. Yeah, we're giving out the care packages. Some, thanking everybody who has donated. I am at Nikki's shop in the square, and she's donating the first. She's giving me the one more word again. Get your stuff now, Nikki. Nikki, get your things. Yeah. So I am here to give out some care package. Me and Rash Ash.
Greetings. Respect.
Give a village. Alright, so what's she there? What she is? That's when them can just leave. Yeah. So pick a village. I will pick this village, alright? We're in Auguststone. Yes, we're in Auguststone.
One Auguststone. And we're live. Goldsmith Villa. Yeah. We picked this village today. To endorse the program, no? BEDWARD Restoration. Sister K, pick up yourself. Goldsmith Villa. One gold.
Yes. Yeah, she need her. Alright, just start, girl. Just give me 1 minute. Just make sure you don't see. Pick a village, just a little cookies,
Sure.
Start somewhere and we end it. Go get the stuff, Minnie. Oh, go get the stuff. I'm so sorry. The stuff is
Too much thinking about it. Video.
Your grandfather.
Oh, one for my grandmother.
Yeah, take one to your grandmother. Okay.
One for my grandmother.
Your next battle. Your next battle.
One of the shop right here, and she started with give 1 can, so you can. And this is for the Pickle Village. So she's donating corned beef and two can mackerel. Alright, so this will go on to the give us one, everybody give us one. Trust me, it goes a long way.
It's quite simple. Yeah. One non-perishable. Yeah, one non-perishable. Good. Can do a lot for someone. So, 1 bread, 1 mackerel, 1 canned beef. It's good enough.
Yeah.
Give thanks. Yes, one tin good enough. So each and everyone can give a tin.
And you can do this again.
Yes, 2 tin.
Alright.
Alright, so this is where we are. We're in Auguststone. Yeah, we donate to the elderly, people in need. It's a lockdown. We don't open back, guys. 6 o'clock this evening. 6 o'clock this evening until Wednesday.
Alright, get back on. Everybody get back.
Alright, so we're here. Just
slide it. Yeah, man, slide it good. Slide it.
Trying to get as much. So, of course, big up Peter. Want to big up Peter, big up Brian. Want to thank you guys.
Yeah, that. Really. I won't forget that.
Alright,
slide.
Yes, 1 Auguststone. And we're starting here today, and we'll be continuing. We're going to 2 other places, to see how best we can help the community.
1 Auguststone, 1 Gola. You see me? Yes, yeah.
Yeah, these are the protectors of the people. Yes. All right, give me the next two. She went for them. All right, so we start here and we continue. Hopefully, we'll be back here next month to see how it can be done. So it's pick a village, and we pick this village today in Augusttown, Gola. We're at a shop. Two.
All right. So you have a car.
When you come out the road, just come to somebody and you give me them.
She.
You just come here, son. So come back and meet them.
Just take it from Anton, man. I'll give it back to him. All right, so I'm leaving. We're going somewhere else, and I'll see you guys. I just want to thank everybody who has donated anything to us. It starts here. One item. Yes, you can. One item. And it's great, you know, somebody can have a meal or can just have something for the lockdown and even beyond the lockdown, because the pandemic is on us and you see things are hard right now in Jamaica. There are some people who don't even have food. All right, so I want to thank again Ras Ash for, you know, organizing, helping, because you're most welcome. You want to say something? Come on, say something.
Thank you very much. I did well want you. Right. Okay.
She next.
Thank you. God bless you and keep you. Thank you.
Enough respect and manners. You're going to no.
Thank you.
Yeah.
You're most welcome.
All right. Father and his son.
Thank you.
Want to say something?
Thank you. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, yeah?
Special,
yeah, baby. Long time I have to right here, so. No problem. No. We vote for you, you know. You know, say we vote for you, you know. Eh? Want a good. It's me, see you now, I tell you, it's so special. Want somebody who know what we do. You see, I say, see lion there. We have enough things to go and boy. I tell you, see girl like you, eh? I need you here, yeah? I tell you that.
Blessed lady. Hey, and God send you here, sir. Blessed.
Baby.
Yes,
Tell you,
yes.
see the Jean there, see lion there, see elder them there, want need somebody good in the village.
Yes.
See, we don't want no, when you live here, come here. That's what we need here, you know.
Yeah.
See, we want who live here, stay here.
Here, yeah.
But you are going to stay here with me, because
yes.
you don't know. You see me?
Alright.
Some just come and look and run, you know, but I tell you, you know what is poor people like. I tell you that. See? I tell you. So when you come here, look for what to do. I tell you, you're so special. I tell you, baby. See me? I only talk to you, you know, idiot thing. See me? Good thing we are dealing with. Yeah, baby? I tell you, so take care of yourself anywhere you go. Father God bless you.
Thank you.
Keep you.
Thank
I
you.
love you.
I'm not darling. I'm not darling. You see me? Yes, right now, when you're in a farm, house, I leave everything. But you don't have no money, you have to live with it. You have to live with it. You have to live with it, you know. I'm house, I leave. I'm not have it.
So we're there a long time, man. See how you see me? See there? Are you done? See there?
You have to live with it, you know.
Peace done, man. You're not no bad done. You're not bad done. That's peace done. Real done. You know what I'm saying? You see, you can't hear it.
All right, so I'm in Augusttown, and I, you know, Mayor Ras Ash here, you know, represent for the people.
Pick a village. Goldsmith Villa. On Augusttown. Better restoration, Sister Carly. Oi! You shall not kill the little coyote. You shall not kill the little coyote. Him never have no gun and them shoot. Me beg the people no fear revolute. You shall not shot the sergeant. You shall not kill the sub. Oi! You shall not kill the teacher. And know them out here locked down every school. Hey, Sister K, big up yourself again. Pick a village. 1 Augusttown. Goldsmith Villa. Better restoration. Swire. Salman. Big up yourself.
All right, we're in Augusttown, and the security force is here to protect. Yes, you know, a little vibes. All right, I just want to thank all who has donated to us.
This is the live. Yes, this is the live. We got Carly for donating to Goldsmith Villa. So a tin to a tin, continue doing.
Yes.
So one shopkeeper to another shopkeeper, keep on doing. Enough love, mercy.
All right, we're here, and of course the initiative started And sometimes, you know, we just want to start and see who could come on board. There's people here who really needs it. All right, I want to thank everybody for participating, for putting the care package to you, you know, for, you know, trust me, working hard all night, all this morning. Yes, and again, I want to big up my boss, Peter, and of course, the love of my life, Ryan. Just want to big you up. Thank you, Crystal. Mommy loves you, all right? I'll see you.